All right. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another live. Let's get started. Let's make some money. The trades that we did last night, most of them hit take profit, which was amazing. One of them hit our stop loss, but you guys know what it is. It's a consistent strategy. We're doing it every single day. So if you're new here, welcome, and let's get started. So let's see how much we did. Yo, what's up, Dawit? How's it going? What's up, Anat? How you guys doing? As we can see, right here, in the past day, I've done just around 1,300, which is not bad. You guys know that the goal for the day is always around $500 to $1,000, but my goal for 2023 is to step it up. Let's try to make $1,000 to $2,000 a day. So from today on, I am upping the game, okay? And the reason is because I've been doing $500 to $1,000 trades for long enough. It's time to step it up. Let's try to make $1,000 a day to $2,000 a day, because what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to take my account from 270K this year. And you guys will be watching this year. I want to get this 270K to around 500 to 600,000. Okay, and if you guys want to see that happen, if you guys want to see me grow this account to over $500,000, this is the place to be. I'm gonna be here every single day. So make sure you guys give me a follow, join the Discord link in the bio, and let's get started, guys. Let's see if there's any moves that we can take. So right here, we can see that on gold, we'll look at the gold range bars. We can see very, very clearly that we were in this nice uptrend. We can see that right here. This is like this big uptrend, and we're getting a reversal right here. So what I'm really looking for is a little bit higher on the pullback, because I don't want to enter now that we've already started, going down. So to me, it might be a little too late, just a little too late. While I was setting up, I saw it, but I wanted to enter live trades with you guys just so you guys can see the process from beginning to end, okay? And for you guys, we missed this trade, but I'm gonna show you guys that it's okay to miss trades, and who knows, maybe we'll even get a better entry. All right, what's up, Zendel? How's it going? So we can trade with you before we place the trade. So here's the thing, it's really up to you guys, what you guys do, but it's important to understand that what I'm doing here is I'm telling you guys what my strategy is, and it's mostly based on risk management. As I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know, it's really because I'm not even risking 1% of my balance. I'm risking way less. So it's all of these things that once you understand, and especially when it comes to the range bars, knowing how the range bars work, and then the confirmations, all of those things, once we can practice with that, and that's what it really comes down to, just like anything in life. You're not going to go and become, some amazing skateboarder or whatever activity, or like if you're playing soccer or playing any sports, it's not that you're going to go and, you're watching Ronaldo play. And did I just compare myself to Ronaldo in trading terms? Maybe. But what I'm trying to say is that you're not going to watch like any of these athletes do it and say, okay, I'm just going to do the same thing right day one. So it's going to take practice. You're going to make mistakes, but it's all part of the learning process, and that's what it really comes down to. It really just comes down to being able to learn and apply it and practice it, because with practice everything gets better. So that's pretty much what I'm trying to do here. A lot of people ask, can we copy your trades? That's not what I'm here to do. It's really up to you, whatever it is you do, because here's the thing, a lot of my trades do hit stop loss, so I don't want it that you guys are following my trades and my trade hits stop loss, because for me it's okay, because I know that the next trade or the next trade after I'll make it up, but maybe for you, your risk management wasn't on point or whatever it might be. So just come here and learn and ask your questions, because we will make sure that we answer everybody's questions. Actually, let's see what's going on with the Bitcoin chart right here. So we can see on the Bitcoin chart, we're in this downtrend. We started this reversal here, and look at that. It's so clear. We can see from here all the way down here on the range bars. It looks so clean. So on the range bars, we're seeing, okay, we're in this downtrend, and now we're reversing up, and we're continuing on this downtrend. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter a short position right here, and I'll show you guys, because everybody wants to see a live trade, right? So I'll show you guys exactly how I'm setting up my trade. Okay, so right here, I'm going to enter a short position. Okay, so exactly, Zinda, 1% is 2,500, but I'm using much less than 1%. Okay, Bitcoin Maxi, careful guys. I'm partnered. No, I'm actually not partnered with anybody at all. I'm actually just doing everything on my own. The only thing that is mine, actually, Bitcoin Maxi, is the range bars. So if you guys want to get access to the range bars, that is running on our website. So the range bars, they run on all of the different markets. So they run on Forex, they run on stocks, indices, even gold and oil, and as well as crypto. Okay, so it runs on all of these markets. If you guys want access to them, all you got to do is give me a follow, join the Discord link in the bio, and let's get started. Let's see if we can do a couple trades here. So Booty Primples is saying crypto is a scam, man. So here's the thing. What it comes down to is that, first of all, I trade gold, I trade NASDAQ, and I trade Bitcoin. So because I'm not an investor, I really don't care about any of those things. People say gold is a scam because, it's just a rock or whatever. And they say that Bitcoin is a scam because it's just code. Here's the thing. I don't care. Why is it that I don't care? Because I'm not an investor. Most people who you guys are talking to are saying, oh, go all in into this crypto coin, and you guys are all going to lose money if you do that. Okay, I'm not an investor. I just trade. I actually don't buy anything. All I'm doing is I'm entering two positions, either a long position or a short position, and I'm going to explain to you guys what that means. So when I'm entering a long position, it doesn't matter what I'm trading. It could be gold, it could be Tesla stock, it could be NASDAQ, it could be S&P 500, it could be Bitcoin, it could be XRP. It doesn't matter what the market that I'm trading. All I have to remember is I have two options here. One is a buy trade or a long position, where if that thing, whatever it is, goes up, I make money. And the second option is the short position, the sell trade, okay? So what is a short position? It's when the market comes down, whatever it is I'm trading, if it comes down, I can make money on it. So here's the thing. What that means is I don't really care whether it's gold or Bitcoin or NASDAQ or stocks or whatever it is I'm trading. And I don't care whether it's going up or down, because regardless of any of those factors and variables, I can still make money. Okay, so that's the thing. A lot of people, you guys are right. A lot of people are really married to their bags. But here's the thing. I don't invest at all. So I'm not married to anything, except my wife. But I actually don't care what I'm trading. And this is one thing that's really important to understand, is that I've eliminated emotions when it comes to trading. And it's helped me immensely. And the reason for that is because a lot of people, when they have their emotions involved and they get wrecked in trading, and again, I will be the only one who talks about losses, because it's a reality. It's normal for people to lose money while trading. It's just a reaction. It's about the risk management. It's about how you handle it. That's what's really important when it comes down to, figuring out how this thing really works. Okay, so it's not that how do I avoid losses? No, not at all. You cannot avoid losses in trading. You can't. Even all the real, profitable traders who are doing it like crazy, they even have losses. Okay, but what it comes down to is that they're managing their risk. They're not emotional while trading. And that's what it really comes down to. Yo, what's up, Nate? How's it going? Clay is saying the hype is everything, just need good entry point. Again, you guys are talking about crypto because most people nowadays, when they hear trading, they just think it's crypto, but actually I'm trading gold, Nasdaq, and Bitcoin. So I'm trading all of these markets because I want exposure, because sometimes what happens is, you see right here, Bitcoin is very flat. What am I going to do here? I can't do anything. There's no moves to be had. It's just flat. But then if I go to, for example, gold, look at the gold chart. So much opportunity. Okay, and this is something that you guys need to understand. It's that when you get emotionally attached to one market or one pair and say, I'm XRP army or whatever, people are like, I'm Bitcoin maximalist or whatever you guys, Bitcoin maxis and stuff. All of that stuff is just a very quick way to get wrecked. Okay, so remember, leave emotions at the door, look at it, see what the market is doing, and just try to take advantage of those smaller moves. So now here's the thing. All right, Keanu Gons is saying, what's the exchange platform I'm using? So this is just a Forex broker. They're not a crypto exchange, by the way. They're just a Forex broker. I'm trading on tradexn.com. That's the broker that I'm using because they have all the markets here. I can trade like gold, stocks, Forex, indices, commodities, and crypto on here with zero commissions and very low spread. So that's where I'm trading, tradexn.com. And right here, on the right side, I can see the range bars. Okay, so these range bars are running on our website. If you guys want access to this, all you got to do is give me a follow and join the Discord link in the bio. All right, guys. So make sure that you guys are, joining the Discord. There's so much to learn, and there's actually, the community is amazing. So make sure that you guys join the Discord link in the bio. All right. Yeah, exactly. It's just simple. Zero balance. No, so that's actually just because I'm not in any trades right now. So it's just zero stop loss, and there's no like trade open right now. He doesn't trade Forex. Yeah. All right, so that's pretty much what it really comes down to. It's that understanding risk management, okay? That's what it's all about, all right? Royal Fresh is saying the trade room is a vibe, not gonna lie. Yeah, exactly. Honestly, guys, first of all, the Discord community is amazing. Everybody's benefiting, everybody's learning. There's actually so much, to learn there. And there's always people to help. Even when I'm not there, there's someone else helping, you guys out. So that's amazing. All right, guys, let's see. What's the strategy I use for sure? So let's get right into the strategy. Let's not waste another second. Let's go right into it, okay? So what's my strategy? What I do is I'm using these range bars. What are range bars? So they very clearly show me which way the trend is going without the noise of time, okay? Because all of these candles are time-based. That's why their sizes are very different and they're very randomized because, right here, if you look at this candle, it's like a random green line in the middle of it. How can you potentially do analysis on random time-based candles? Because in the 5-minute time, because these are set to 5 minutes, but whatever you're setting it to, what happens is, the market's going to go up and down, and now this candle is being built, and then after that 5 minutes, a new candle, but that doesn't mean anything. Maybe the market's having a huge move, but it's just showing in one candle, and then you move on, and then it's just flat. So doing analysis on time-based candles is such a waste of time. Why is it that now the range bars look so clean? Okay, the reason is because these are not based on time. These bars are only generated when the market moves. So only when the market moves do we get these range bars continuing to generate. So what that does is we can see right here. So let's show you. So this is the Bitcoin range bar chart, and this is the time-based candles for what's happened in Bitcoin. But we could see right here that so we were in this uptrend. And then here we started this downtrend, but there's so much noise. Like you can't tell, okay, are we going to go up or down? Are we going to go up or down? No idea. But over here, we can see very clearly, okay, we're in this downtrend. And then now from right here, we've started the uptrend. So now, as we can see, right here, the range bars are showing us the same thing, but much cleaner. So how do I use the range bars? Now that you guys understand what range bars are, let's go into how to use the range bars. The way I use the range bars is I always enter on the reversals. Okay, so I always enter on a reversal. What does that mean? So I never enter in the middle of a trend. So right here, we can see we're in a downtrend. I wouldn't enter here. Over right here, we're getting this reversal. So I would enter a long position, right? So that's where I would be entering a long position, and I set my stop loss and take profit at 50 points above and below 1-to-1 ratio. And that would have been a profitable trade. If we look right here, one right here at the bottom, when it was reversing, it was 180.73, and we came all the way up to 181.26. So that's over 50 points. So if we entered a long position right here at the bottom, that would have been a profitable 50-point trade. And now that's what I'm doing on a regular basis. I'm just entering on the reversals because I'm trying to increase my chances of a successful trade as much as possible. Because if we look at it at the basics right here, in the most basic sense, we have a 50-50 chance of getting a trade right? Like that's what it is. Either we can press the buy trade or a sell trade, a long position or a short position, and one of them will have to be right? So we're starting off on the foot of, okay, 50% chance of getting it right. Now, how do we increase those chances? That's the whole game. It's about increasing those chances. Now, if anybody tells you they have 100% or 90% accuracy, they're completely lying to you, because it doesn't work. It doesn't exist. There's nothing that will be 100% or 90% or 80%. It just doesn't work that way. It's impossible, because if you look at it, if someone started with 1 penny at the beginning of the month and they just doubled it every day, which is, if someone's saying they have a 100% hit ratio, that's one trade a day. If they did on a 100% hit ratio, by the end of the 30 days, they would have $10 million from 1 cent. So anybody who's telling you that, they have a 100% win rate, or their bot or their signals are 90% accurate, don't believe that. Don't get scammed. Here's the thing. The main thing I want to explain to you guys is that make sure you guys aren't buying anyone's course. Make sure you guys aren't buying anyone's bot. Don't think that someone's going to trade for you. All of those things are not real. Okay, you're going to get scammed. And I don't want you guys to lose money. I want you guys to be very, very careful and make sure that you guys are always asking, someone else before you send money to someone to trade for you. And here's the best thing. The Discord channel that we have is so amazing, because people are always messaging, hey, I got this DM, is this legit? And everybody calls it out like, no, that's a scam, don't fall for it. And it's amazing because we're all taking care of each other. So if you guys want access to the range bars completely for free, if you want to learn, how to set stop loss, how to set take profit, risk management strategies, you want to watch a whole bunch of videos I've made, like 1 to 2 minute videos on like how to do this, how to do that. And if you guys want to be a part of such an amazing community where everybody's just helping each other, all you got to do is give me a follow, join the Discord link in the bio. And guys, remember, there's no paywall. There's no like, oh, for our VIP members, there's none of that. You guys are all VIP, all right? So make sure you guys give me a follow, join the Discord link in the bio, and I'm available there most of the day. You guys can message me, we can hang out, we can, answer questions. So it's actually an amazing place to be. I know you guys are asking about where I'm trading. So I'm trading on tradexn.com. That's a broker that I'm using. I've been using them for about a year now, and so far so good. I've done multiple deposits, withdrawals. I should be doing a withdrawal soon because I need money for a couple trips that I'm going on. But I will be withdrawing probably around 30-40K soon. You guys can see that too. But right here, I use TradeXN because I can trade all the markets, gold, NASDAQ, and Bitcoin. Those are the 3 markets that I trade, gold, NASDAQ, Bitcoin. And over here, they have very low spread. You can see their spread is really low. Plus, they have 0 commission, so it works out. Do you always wait for a second candle for confirmation on the range bars? So I actually don't. The moment I see that we're getting a reversal, I start looking for an entry. So right now, I'm looking for an entry on this Bitcoin chart, even though we have reversed, if we can push up a little higher, I would enter a short position right here. Let's look at gold. Let's see what's going on with gold right here. Again, I would want a higher position right here before I enter. And the reason is because a lot of traders are very impatient. Now, all of the things that I'm telling you is because I personally have made those mistakes. I've made those mistakes where, I was FOMOing into moves. I was saying, oh my God, we're going down. Let me just enter a short position. Oh my God, we're going up. Let me just enter a long position. I was doing that and it got me wrecked. I was doing things like, let me just 5x this account and risking huge amounts, 20, 30, 40% of my balance at a time to try to have that one lucky trade. Doesn't work. Understanding, like trying a trading strategy for one day, do like 5 trades and then say, oh man, this one hit stop loss too much, I'm gonna try another strategy. Doesn't work. So all of these things are things I learned after years and years and tons of money lost trying to figure these things out. So if you guys want to avoid all of that, just learn from my mistakes. Okay, don't make those mistakes that I made, and it'll actually propel you like 5 to 10 years in the future of your trading career or journey, because you guys won't be making all of those mistakes, right? So just make sure you guys understand that risk management is really the key to this whole thing. It's risk management, it's patience, it's coming into it without emotions. All right, guys, let's go into some of these questions. Royal Fresh, what's up, my man? He's actually amazing member of our community in the Discord. Royal Fresh, what's up? The monitor you have on the stream, what kind of monitor is that? All right, so this is actually an ultra wide monitor that I have set vertically, and actually it works beautiful because I can see all 4 of the charts. So hopefully that answers your question, my man. Aya is saying, you must take how many you will buy or can make a dollar price and buy it. You must take how many you will buy or can you make a dollar price and buy it. Okay, I think I understand what you're asking, IS Roxy. It's the way that it works is right here in the middle between the buy and sell is what's called the lot size or order quantity or any of those things, right? Like contract, lot size. So when it's 0.01 right here, I don't know why my monitor is flickering, it's so weird. When it's 0.01, that means that each point that the market moves is worth 1 cent. Okay, so I'm using 5 lot size. I would never suggest you guys do that. It's because my account size is very, very large. So I would always suggest you guys minimize your risk as much as possible. Don't risk huge amounts. Just start with the pennies to practice, and that way, you can slow and steady gain an understanding and practice and learn how to set stop loss, take profit, learn how to wait for better entries. So it's really all about having patience and starting as small as possible. And you don't have to buy in order to sell because we are trading. We are not investing here. All I'm doing is I'm trading. So a short position means that if I enter that, that's its own position. And that means that I can make money when the market comes down. And then a long position or the green button or the buy button means that's an independent trade. And what that does is I can make money when the market is going up. All right. So let's get through a couple of other questions right here. You wait for sound signals on the range bars. So here's the thing, I use them as confirmation. So what's going to happen is, let's say right here we're seeing this Bitcoin chart say that, okay, we're starting a downtrend, or this was just a pullback and then we're continuing down. What I would do is while I'm setting my trade up, and if I hear a sell now, that's a good confirmation for me to say, okay, we're in this downtrend and I'm gonna enter a short position. So hopefully that makes sense. All right, where's the Discord link? All you got to do is give me a follow and join the Discord link. It's in the bio there. So make sure you guys are hitting that follow button, because here's the thing. I'm here every single day showing you guys how I make money. And for those people who are wondering whether I do make money or not, check it out, because I know a lot of you guys are joining every single day and learning. Actually, there's so many people in the Discord making money on a regular basis. It's actually crazy. So look, over here in the past 24 hours, hours, I've done around 1,300, which is a little higher than what I usually do anyways. In the past week, I'm at around 4,800, which is also a pretty good week right here. And for the past month, I'm at just under 12K. Now, I want to be able to get this up to around 20K a month. That's what I would really want to be doing, which is around 7-8% of my balance on a regular basis. And oh yeah, again, right here, you can see, let's go to the past year, and a lot of these trades I've been doing live, so you guys can come here and watch me do these trades live anyways. For this past year, I'm at around 208,000, so not bad at all. What platform do you use for trading? So I'm using tradexn.com. That's the broker that I'm using. It's right there in the corner, because I can trade all the markets here. They're actually a forex broker. They're not a crypto exchange. A lot of people think that any platform is a crypto exchange, but it's not. It's just a forex broker. But they do have crypto here as well: stocks, commodities, indices, whatever. All of those things. They have zero commission, and they have a very tight spread, which is really nice. What's better, short or long? So Timmy, here's the thing. It doesn't really matter, because all I'm doing is I'm using the range bars to enter on the reversals. So being able to, take advantage of both is really what it comes down to. Obviously, this year, I've done a lot of short trades, okay? You can see right here. So right here is, I'll go through like my history a little bit, but you can see most of the trades are actually short position. It's a mixed bag though. Even my trades are a mixed bag. They're not, obviously, I'm not 100% profitable. It's impossible, but you can see right here that it's a mixed bag, but I have more profitable trades than losing trades. How can you learn, Victor? All you got to do is give me a follow and join the Discord link that's in my bio. Hey Timmy, thank you, appreciate that. Hopefully I answered your question there. Let's see. Can you fraction share? So Braden, here's the thing. When we're doing trading, because this is like derivatives or futures trading, so it's based on lot sizes. So you can do trades in the pennies all the way up to like hundreds or thousands of dollars. It just depends on the lot size, and it just depends on the point that the market moves. All right. How do you get started as a 16-year-old? So Fresh, here's the thing. Join the Discord link in my bio, and come here every single day and just learn and watch the videos in the Discord, because it's never too early or too late to just learn the basics, okay? And just learn about how all of these things work. So definitely get started and learn, and ask any questions you want, because that's what I'm here for, all right? How do you connect the range bars to XN? So it's not connected. The broker is just any random broker that anyone wants to use. You can use whatever broker, but this is just the broker that I'm using because of their low fees. It actually makes a huge difference. But the broker is completely independent from the range bars, because the range bars are running on our website. So the range bars, that's why I have them on the side. This is like on our website. It's running from our servers. And then the broker right here, that's where we're executing the trade. That's where we're actually performing the trades, okay? What's on the second display? So Medri, so right here, these are called the range bars. What they do is they show us which way the market is going, very cleanly in a very linear trend, without any of the noise of the time-based candles, because these are not based on time. They only generate when the market moves. So what that does is it gives us a very, very nice clean chart without any noise, and we can see exactly which way the market's going. And the way I use it is by entering on the reversals. Okay, so I wouldn't enter a trade here, wouldn't enter. Right here, I would enter a long position. Okay, and then set my stop loss and take profit, and there we go. Ian, what's up, my man? What's up, Jackson? How you guys doing? What's up, Vico? If you guys want access to the range bars, all you got to do is give me a follow and join the Discord link in the bio. Here's the thing. I never do any predictions because I don't even know which way the market's going, which is jokes, because everybody on TikTok and Instagram is always boosting about how they know, oh, this thing will pump 500,000%. And guess what? You guys are all getting wrecked. I'm the only one here that's going to claim that I don't know which way the market's going, yet I am profitable every single day. Now, for a lot of people, that's not what you usually hear. What you usually hear is like someone says, I told you guys, I predicted this is the way that the market is going to go. And guess what? Check it out. How I made turned $100 into like $5 million overnight. It's all just clickbait. It's all just clickbait. Don't fall for that. You guys are all much smarter than that. So don't fall for any of those things, because if it seems too good to be true, most likely it is. Look, over here, my trading history, like on average, my accuracy is around 60 to 65%.